Hi, I'm Miss Adrian, and I have the word says to do as a red word today. One way that you might hear this word is if someone is telling someone else that sign says stop. Or maybe you're on the phone with someone and someone else is with you, and then you might give them the message, she says hello, or so says is when you're saying something in the moment, okay? So now that we understand more about this word, let's remember how it's spelled. S-A-Y-S, says. So I'm going to get my bumpy screen, put my word on top of it, grab my red crayon, and trace and say 3 times together. Ready, write. S-A-Y-S, says. S-A-Y-S, says. S-A-Y-S, says. All right, after that is finished, we're going to do an arm tap. Okay, so hold it right up in front of you and look at it. Ready, go. Says. S-A-Y-S, says. Says. S-A-Y-S, says. Says. S-A-Y-S, says. Okay, and then set it down, and we're going to trace over it with your finger. 3 times. Ready, go. S-A-Y-S, says. S-A-Y-S, says. S-A-Y-S, says. Great. And now come up for skywrite. Ready, go. S-A-Y-S, says. S-A-Y-S, says. S-A-Y-S, says. Great. Now please place your bumpy screen aside and grab your red crayon so that we can write on the front of this paper the word 3 times in the corner. Okay, ready, write. S-A-Y-S, says. S-A-Y-S, says. S-A-Y-S, says. Now turn your paper over and on the back spell the word says. All right, is this how your paper looks? S-A-Y-S, says. Let's write a sentence. Grab your dry erase marker and your dry erase board, and we'll write says up in the top corner. S-A-Y-S, says. Okay, let's write that sign says stop. S-A-Y-S, says. When you're finished, you can check your work here. I used an exclamation point at the end because if you need to stop quickly, you want to show that urgency. So my T at the beginning is capitalized. And you can end your sentence in a period or an exclamation point, whichever you are feeling. And our says is our red word, so it's underlined. S-A-Y-S says. Good job. Now clear that board off. And let's have you write some other red words. Please write the word been, like it has been raining. All right, that one is spelled B-E-E-N, ben. Next, say. S-A-Y, say. That's very similar to today's word, isn't it? Say and says. Both talking about using words. Next word, one. And like the number one, how do you spell that? O-N-E, one. Please spell there, like there is my cat. That one is T-H-E-R-E, there. Where? All right, where? W-H-E-R-E, where? Okay, now I'll ask you to read these out loud. How do you say this word? This is one, like the number one. Read this. There, like the location. This is where. This is been. You use it when you say like, it has been cloudy. This is say. You're talking about talking. I want to say something. Great work today. Thanks for following along. Bye.